Understanding, for a moment. A simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, for a moment. Understanding such phrases can really help in making your English sound more natural. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how to use it effectively. For a moment is a phrase used to describe a very short period of time. It's often used in everyday English to indicate something that happens quickly or lasts for only a brief duration. Think of it like a snapshot in time, something that comes and goes rapidly. 2.1 Temporary actions. When we say, for a moment, it can mean we did something briefly. For example, I stopped working for a moment to catch my breath. She looked away for a moment, lost in thought. 2.2 Expressing surprise or hesitation. It's also used to show a pause or hesitation, often due to surprise or uncertainty. Examples include, I was speechless for a moment when I heard the news. He hesitated for a moment before answering the question. 2.3 Requesting attention or pause. We often use, for a moment, to politely ask for someone's brief attention or to pause an action. For instance, could you wait here for a moment, please? Listen to me for a moment. I have something important to say. One common mistake learners make is confusing for a moment with in a moment. While both involve short time periods, in a moment is used to indicate something will happen soon, not that it happened briefly. For example, incorrect, I'll be there for a moment. Correct, I'll be there in a moment. I hope this video helped clarify the phrase, for a moment, for you. Remember, mastering such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Keep practicing, and you'll get there in a moment. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.